welcome WPP stars in restaurant Latour in the Netherlands. We're gonna prepare the first dessert in the menu. We have some elements of apricot, almond and saffron. First of all, we're gonna start with the Advi crème. Almond sauce, and on the other side apricot sauce. We made a chutney of apricot with some apricot brandy. A gel made with apricot. Then we have some caramelized almonds. Chips. We dry them in the oven very slowly, also made from apricot. The jelly is made of saffron. Ice cream is also made of apricot with a little bit fleur d'orange. And some almond crispies on top. This is the first dessert of the menu in Restaurant Latour. Hope to see you soon.